back to the channel. Tanya from Glorified Bodies Fitness. Let's do 5 exercises on the ball. Maybe a friend could join us. All right, let's rock back and forth. And keep your core tight. It's to help loosen up tight muscles in the body, around the hips, back, relieve stress. Just a simple rocking is so good. You'll feel a nice movement in the calves to help your calf muscles, better circulation there, get good blood flow from the calves on up. That's one. Now let's help the lymphatic system, a simple bounce. That's it. This helps strengthen all your muscles in your body, bones, joints, and clean out your system by way of your lymphatic system. Okay, that's 2. Next, let's do a circle. Circle around. Excellent. Great for your mobility. And let's go the other way. Yummy, yummy. Okay, let's do 2 more things. Let's go ahead and do a little crunch here. You have your hands in front and come halfway down, halfway up. You can do 5 of those. Feel that? Feet apart for balance. So you'll feel a little quiver there. You know it's working. And now let's do a stretch here, side to side. That feels so good. So you can do each exercise for a minute. Let's do one more. Let's fold forward here. Relax. And then come up. Let's do a nice back extension. Press those elbows back. We'll do one more here. Up and stretch. Oh, that feels so good. And then you can finish off with that bounce. Clean out. Good. Let's open it out. Stretch it back. Give yourself a nice hug. Great job. See you in the next video. Head on over to glorified-bodies-fitness.com. See all the wonderful things we have. Go in the description area and you can click on that link and that will lead you to the site. Bye all. Blessings.